Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. As you can see, we are outside of CVS. So before I get started with this shopping trip, I just want to let you know I don't have any coupons. So we got a P&G today. We got some awesome coupons that came in the Sunday paper. I don't have any of them. And honestly, I could go in here and buy some. I could go and just use some of my extra care bucks and buy some papers, come back to the car and clip them so that I could have some coupons. But doing the math on that, like the cost of going in there and buying papers and then coming back out of my time and the monetary value of those coupons, I'm better off just winging it with my digital coupons. So I am only going to be using digital coupons that can be found for free 99 on the CVS app. So if you don't have any coupons either, or you didn't get papers or inserts, this is the perfect video for you, because guess what? I don't have any as well. So let's go in here and see what we can do just using all digital coupons. Okay, y'all, so the first digital deal that we are going to do is on the P&G products. So my store is not tagged yet, but the P&G products are actually spend $30 and get back a $10 extra care buck. I am doing this deal because we have a lot of corresponding digital coupons. So first item that I'm going to grab on this deal is the Tide liquid laundry detergent. I know from the ad that these are on sale for $5.94 this week, and then we have a $3 off one digital coupon. The next item that I'm going to pick up on this deal is some of the Tide pods. I'm going to grab some of the 16 count pods. So these are on sale for $4.94 this week, and we have a $3 off one digital coupon. The next item I'm going to grab, I'm going to take a chance on because, again, my store is not tagged. I don't see this item in the ad, but I think it is included because I scanned the price at the Redbox machine and it came up for $5.94, which is the same price as the Tide. We also have a $2 off one digital coupon. So I'm going to grab one of these bigger bottles. This is the 10-ounce bottle of Unstoppables, and I'm going to add it in as well. This next item is going to be a filler item just to make sure that I get close enough to the $30 mark. I am not going to use a coupon on it, but I am going to throw in one of these Dawn dish liquids. These are the little baby bottles that are 8 ounces, and they are 99 cents. The final item that I'm going to add in this spend 30 deal is 2 of these Herbal Essences Bio Renew shampoo and conditioner. So these are actually on sale 2 for $12 this week, and we have a $4 off one digital coupon. Okay, so let's do a cart review for everything that we have for this spend 30 get back 10 scenario. So we got one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. We're going to use that $3 off digital coupon. We have one of the Tide pods. We're going to use that $3 off digital coupon. We got one of the Downy Unstoppables. We're going to use that $2 off one digital coupon. We got 2 of the Herbal Essences Bio Renew. We are going to use the $4 off 2 digital coupon. And then we have one little baby Dawn. No coupons on that. That is our filler item. After all of those digital coupons are applied, our total should be $17.91. Then we're going to get back a $10 extra care buck, making it $7.81 for all of these items. A great price. Okay, so the next deal that I'm going to do is on the Physicians Formula. So I'm going to do something a little bit different this week since I'm only using a digital coupon. So the Physicians Formula is on a deal where if you spend $14, you'll get back 10, which already makes a $14 item only $4. That's great. But we also have a $4 off one digital coupon. So I'm going to grab an item that I've actually just been wanting to try. It is $14.99, and that is this brightening skin booster serum. So it's $14.99. I'm going to use my $4 off one digital coupon. That will make it $10.99 at the register, and I will get back $10, making it only 99 cents. The final deal that we're going to do is on the Nature Valley granola bars. So these are on sale this week for $1.99. And then we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. That will make them $1.49 per box. Alrighty, you guys, so this is a final cart review of everything that we are picking up. Because I do have a lot of extra care bucks coming into the transaction, I am going to go ahead and do a big transaction and just buy all of the items at one time. If I did not have a lot of extra care bucks coming into the transaction, I would probably split this up into at least 2 transactions and do maybe the physician's formula first and then buy the other items on the second transaction. But because I do have a lot of extra care bucks, I'm going to buy them all at once. But remember to break the items up into smaller transactions and roll your extra care bucks if you do not have a lot of extra care bucks coming in. Okay, you guys, so we just checked out, and to not have any paper coupons, I really feel like this transaction came out pretty doggone amazing. So one surprise that I did get is not only was the Downy included, but it is also the $3 off one coupon instead of the $2 off one coupon came off for that. So that was a nice surprise to get $3 off of that Downy and for it to also be included in the spend 30 get 10. So that was amazing. Let me show you guys how my transaction broke down. Of course, my receipt is pretty long. So here is everything. So there is our herbal essence. There is that Downy 10 ounce. And as you can see, I have a 0,000 because I had a 100% savings on this transaction. I didn't pay anything out of pocket, only taxes. So there's the Tide, there's the Dawn. Those are our 2 Nature Valley granola bars, our Tide Pods, and our Physician's Formula. All of my coupons were applied. Here's the herbal essences, the Physician's Formula, the Tide, the Downy, the Nature Valley. I had a $2 extra care bucks reward that CVS just gave me for free for being a good shopper. So that was nice to get a free $2 back. And then those are all of the extra care bucks I had from last week that I rolled. I also rolled a $3 Beauty Club buck that I earned on last week's transaction as well. So my subtotal came out to 0, y'all, $3.99. I only paid taxes, which were $2.61. I had a 100% savings value, and then I got back a $10 extra care buck for the Physician's Formula and a $10 extra care bucks for the Tide. So I have $20 to roll into next week. And excuse, I just came from Family Dollar, so I have the Family Dollar stuff over there. But so this is everything for CVS, y'all. I think we did pretty doggone good. Essentially what I did, so I had no out of pocket, is I just spent about $10 in extra care bucks. I'm completely okay with that because 5 of those extra care bucks I got for free from CVS anyway. So it's like I spent about $5 in extra care bucks for all of these items. I think we did pretty doggone good. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you are watching this video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.